Shower is when we bought this place, it had a big sunken tub right here, and it was so deep into the floor that it was hard to climb in and out of. Well, unfortunately, as we've gotten older, we've been here for about 17 years, it just became too difficult, and my husband had shoulder replacement surgery. We couldn't climb in and out of the tub, and the shower was above the tub, so even to take a shower you had to get in there. So I said, okay, the tub's got to go. So we met Sean at Marble Concepts and Design, and we went and looked at some of his product, and we really thought it was beautiful. So a friend of ours did a lot of the demolition work, took the old bathtub out, and then Sean came in with his crew and built us this beautiful shower and the vanity that matches it. So we're just tickled to death with it. It's beautiful. You can just walk right into it. There's no door, and the water's all contained right here. And if, God forbid, we ever get in the position where we have to use a wheelchair or walker, we have no problem, we can just come right in. I was just going to say it doubles as a wonderful dog shower also. Come here, Misty, Misty, come here. You can shower? Come here. Come on, up. Come here. So, in the wintertime when it's cold and rainy and nasty and my dog needs a bath, we can do it right here. And this comes off, and it's a handheld shower. And we keep the whole family clean right here.